Hello, my name is Callie Wheeler, and today I'm going to be talking about drones in China. What is a drone? A drone can be referred to as an unpiloted aircraft or spacecraft or an unmanned aerial vehicle, which is also known as a UAV. There are many variations of drones from commercial to military to space use. What makes drones so efficient is that you can control it from one location and they don't require rest if they are fully charged or have the necessary fuel. Who are using drones and why? Drones became increasingly popular over the last couple of years for commercial and personal use. From taking pictures from above to having full blown drone races and obstacle courses that you can watch on TV, there are many fun uses that come from drones. In fact, the picture to the left is from South Park, the TV show, where they had a whole episode about drones and drone enthusiasts. Although drones are available to the public to be used as a hobby or sport, the military also utilizes drone technology, and nearly over 3 dozen countries in the World of Drones database have armed drones. Another big group who utilize drones is NASA, and in the past they've sent a drone to Mars, which was in 2018, in order to be tested for 30 days on Mars. Where are they using drones? The United States has been ranked the leader in drone technology because of the widespread uses, and according to data, there are at least 678 drones in service, which include 18 different types of drones that ranges from unarmed to armed and whatnot. But although the U.S. holds a high amount of stock in drones, many other countries also have utilized drone technology. In China, which is the selected country that I picked, they have utilized 3 different tests for their drones during the coronavirus, which include aerial spray and disinfection, transport of medical supplies and samples, and consumer drone delivery to ensure that people have access to food and other goods. When are they using drones? Drones serve many purposes, especially during current times dealing with the coronavirus. They have become a necessity in many countries. To police using drones to enforce the stay-at-home order, to medical staff using them to transport supplies or results, to safety measures including spraying disinfectant, they can be used. I believe that the mass adoption of drone usage is very close in our future, if not already here. However, there are a lot of variables at play too. I imagine that within the increase of using them, that there will be more laws and restrictions put into place. How can we use drones to help solve issues related to the SDGs? I've talked about drones helping solve issues relating to the SDGs in previous assignments, but I've concluded that they can be applied to many of the 17 different goals. A few examples can include the no poverty, because drone operators and information sorters will have many positions available. Zero hunger, because drones can assist in transporting food to areas that are difficult to access. And good health and well-being, due to drones being equipped to sanitize areas as well as carry and deliver supplies. 2 truths and 1 lie about drones. In the TV show South Park, there is an episode centering around drone hobby enthusiasts. China has made use of drones to combat and help with the coronavirus pandemic, and you can operate a drone at your own discretion, and there are no laws in place for them.